Well, what's goody, man? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today we are in Redlands, California. We got my Tesla right behind me. It's looking bright and nice, kind of like my teeth. I'm just kidding. I'm actually getting this car wrapped really soon. I found a guy who's gonna do it for a really great price, and I'm thinking between a matte black, maybe even a Tiffany blue. So I'm excited to show you guys what I go with. But we also definitely got to do something to the rims too, because you guys can see there's a big gap here between the the wheel and the tire and the actual car itself. So we got to definitely lower that a little bit, make it look a little bit more sporty. And then we'll probably do some sort of chrome delete right here. Probably do, just black that out. Tint the windows, of course, you have to. Gonna be tinting the front too. I don't want to make it too crazy. We'll probably just go like maybe 60-70%, nothing too crazy. Today we're in Redlands. We got the house right behind me. This is the house that I'm flipping here in Redlands, and I just wanted to give you guys a full walkthrough. We got a lot of work going on. We got the contractors, we got painters, we got a couple handymen in there, we got electricians coming in all day. So it's just been a crazy morning, just a lot of work going on. So I just want to show you guys some of the progress that we've made. We've demoed all the flooring. And this is going to help you guys out because it's going to give you an idea of, if you do want to flip a house, how do you start? Like, what's the process that you have to take to actually get a house from, complete scratch when you buy it to like starting to get the contractors in, actually doing some work and getting the progress made. Now, we got the house about a week ago and we've already come pretty far. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough. I'm going to show you guys the property and show you guys the progress. Before we go in there, make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button, turn post notifications on. Just got this new Drew hoodie, man. Big fan of Drew, if you guys know me. I've always been a Bieber fan and I like what he's doing, and I think what his story is very relatable. Let's go. So we got the front, we got my guy Edgar here, he's doing some work. Got to start the landscaping. So we're basically going to be painting this full exterior. Probably keep the stucco the way it is, just paint the fascia and the eaves and kind of make it look a little brighter. Head into the garage first because they're doing some work over there. So we got to do a full power wash, get this thing cleaned up, paint the whole garage. We actually just put a new door in right here, so you guys can see this door looks pretty darn good. It's like, we're obviously gonna paint it. We put a new lock on there as well. Brand new door frame, looks pretty good. This is important. If it's deteriorated, you just wanna make sure that they look, up to par. And there's a lot of different codes and safety things that you have to keep in mind. So you wanna make sure that your doors are up to code. So that's something to keep in mind for sure. So let's head back in. It's my little office for the day. Got the little setup. We got my two phones, of course, the laptop. Show you guys the inside. So this is bedroom number one. We actually had flooring in here, but we just had our guy demo the whole thing, and he did it really fast. We got new closet doors. We got to paint these. So this is bedroom number one. Let's go to bedroom number two. This room is probably in the worst condition because you got all this crazy stuff going on with the walls, but they've already started to clean it up a little bit. So we gotta do full drywall work on this. We gotta clean all this stuff out, take out all these shelvings. Actually, we put new shelving in. This looks much better right here. So that's bedroom number two. Again, you can see there's some crazy damage on this wall. Like, this is insane, right? Like, so we gotta get all that repaired. Take you guys into the bathroom. We're gonna paint these cabinets, probably do a gray. We got a drainage issue, so we gotta clean this out. Nice tub in here, obviously looks pretty high end. We're gonna paint the whole house too, just FYI. You can see there's a lot of drywall stuff and like fucked up paint, so we gotta clean all that up. We're probably gonna keep this the way it is, looks pretty good. Then we got the master. We're gonna do new flooring in here. Probably change this out to a better ceiling fan. There's the bathroom. We put new faucets in right here, which are pretty solid. We're gonna put new hardwood flooring throughout the house. It's gonna look fucking amazing. And we got my boy right here. He's demoing the entire floor. You can see he took all this shit out. Crazy. Yeah, guys, this is insane. So we demoed the whole tile right here. We're gonna do flooring through this. Kitchen looks pretty good. You got the granite countertops. There's the kitchen. And we got the sunroom. We're gonna paint this whole thing white. And this is, it's honestly nice to have, especially because in Redlands it gets pretty hot. It's nice to have shade. So the sunroom is just like an extra added benefit, you could say. And then we got this whole fence right here. We're gonna do white, make it look fucking beautiful. And then we just got the tree trimmed. So yeah, guys, you guys should have seen it this morning. I mean, it was crazy. We had probably like 15 people in here just working and working and working. So a lot of progress is being made. I think honestly we'll have it back on the market in maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks at the best. It might take 3 weeks just because you never know. It's gonna rain this weekend and stuff. So yeah, guys, another day in the life of flipping houses. If you guys have any questions on how to flip a house, you know, if I can do it, I'm 24. If I can do it, so can you. Hit me up if you have any questions. I'm always down to chat. And that's all I got for you guys, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button. All right, guys, I gotta get back to work, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.